Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. This channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related on video post this channel. If you like the channel videos, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discuss topic how to calculate a Grubbs test in OriginPro software. So what is the Grubbs test? The Grubbs test is a statistical test used to identifying outlier in a univariate data set that follow a normal distributions. It is particularly useful when you need to determine whether a single data point significantly divides from the other value in a data set. So the Grubbs test used to the biological science. So the Grubbs test is a widely used in biological science to identifying outlier in dataset where observations must be affected by biological variability, experimental error or measurement inaccuracies. Identifying and appropriately handling outlier is crucial in biological research to ensure the accuracy and reliability of experimental conclusions. So go to the OriginPro software. Okay, the data already entered the OriginPro workspace. So the first of all, for the species name, 7 different species and the sample for the collected the field different field. So the now calculate for the Grubbs test. Go to the statistical menu, descriptive statistics, and click to the Grubbs test. Open the dialog. So open the new tab for the Grubbs test. So the recalculate method for the manual is a standard. And next import for the data. So select for the symbol. Select to the sample 1. So the only one sample we take. Totally we take the 4 samples, but now the test calculate for the only the 1 samples for the sample 1. So the significant level, the 3 type of the significant level. So the 0.01 and 0.05 and 0.01. So I take for the significant level in 0.05 and outlier the plot, select the checkbox, then click to the OK button. Now the calculator for the Grubbs test in the OriginPro software. So the first of all, first one for the Grubbs test plot data. So this is for the Grubbs test plot data. So the index for the 1 to 7 and the mean value for the 13.85 and the lower limit at 0.0 level minus 7.88 and upper limit 0.05 level 35.59 and the index 7 value the mean 13.85 and same for the upper limit and lower limit value. So the next one for the Grubbs 1. So the first one for the descriptive statistics in the Grubbs test. So the sample 1, the total number of samples 7 and the mean value 13.85 714 and standard deviation value 10.76148 and standard error mean value 4.06746. So the next one for the test for the Grubbs test. So the sample 1, the data point with the largest Grubbs test value 30 and data index with the largest Grubbs test value 7 and the Grubbs test statistics 1.50006 and critical value 2.01997, approximated the p value 0.73942. The significant is a 0. At the 0.05% level there is no significant outlier, so the no significant for the outlier. So the next one for the outlier graph. This is for the graph in Grubbs test outlier graph. So the double click the graph, open the new tab. So now the customized for the outlier graph. First of all, the double click for the symbol, open the new tab, the plot detail for the plot properties. This is for the symbol change to the symbol shape. The different shape are available in the plot detail if you want anyone's style selected. And next one for the symbol size, so the symbol size change to the size symbol, so the change symbol size. And next one for the change to the symbol color, so the single color options. And biplot is a multiple color options, so selected for the single color, any one color selected single color, so this is for the single color. And if you want any color, change to the options. Okay, they change the options. Okay, the next for the transparency, this is simple transparency. Okay, and next one for the label of the symbol, so select the label tab and enable the label and click to the apply, so the label enter. Now the label value for the label from enter to the species name, so they add to the species name. And click to the auto reposition to avoiding overlapping, so the select the checkbox and apply, so the overlaying the positions change to the corrections. So now the customized in the font, so select for the font options, change to the font Time Roman and size 12, then apply, so change the font, so the change for the font direction. Okay, then 2040. Okay, the next one for the mean line corrections, so the mean line customized, double click for the mean line, so this is for the mean line with the change to the 2. Okay, then 2. This is for the mean line correction, the color, if you want change to the color line, change to the color for the red color. If you want select the green color, mean line is a green color. Okay, then next one customized for the upper limit at 0.5 level, so the double click, change to the 2, then apply, they change to the green to gray or green, applied, then click OK, the mean color change black. Okay, next one customized for the lower limit at 0.05 level, double click, open the new tab plot details and change to the 1.5 and color is red, then click OK. Now the legend correction customized, change to the font and 14. Okay, add to the top X, right and Y layer, so the delete key, use to delete key and delete for the Y axis title and X axis title, double click for the layer. Okay, go to the line and tick options, so the major tick change to the none and minor tick change to the none, and same for the right side Y axis, change for the none and minor text change to the none, then apply, then click to the OK. Next the sample one, change to the font 14, change, and row numbers also change, and axis change the options. Okay, this is for the Grubbs test outlier plot. So if you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. And if you want this corrupt test template file, the template file upload for our telegram channel. The telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. Okay, if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Okay, thank you for watching this video.